good luck. But even with that, the Canes continue to produce enough of these little eye-opening, eyebrow-raising opportunities in the attacking zone. And it's a one-shot game.
Malkin burrowing, he's out. Oh my word! Evgeny Malkin, spectacular for the hat trick.
Not a one-goal game anymore. Right off the draw, he slips Cullen, and then this is just a whirling, sapient, no-look, backhand, elevated ender. Watch this. Seidenberg on his back. Elevation, execution, equal measure, has worn down all me, all the time. The hats have showered down, and he's had quite a night.
Two words come to mind: world class. That was no ordinary talent. Evgeny Malkin looking up at the board, waiting to see a review of his handiwork that has prompted a shower of hats.
Cam Ward went down and was deep. That was part of the fatal play. Seidenberg was on him, not thinking he was going to shoot the puck, but this guy's just been on a different level here again tonight. He did it in one of the games in the previous series against the Washington Capitals. They just put that on the Jumbotron here at the Igloo, and this place is going gaga.
Very proud mom and pop as we revisit the hat trick from number 71 this evening.
Well, that's how he's gone about his business tonight. Driving to the net, getting rewarded. Out-muscling, out-maneuvering a defenseman, getting rewarded. And then all him, just an absolute piece of class to put the exclamation point on a wonderful night for 71.
Dan Bilesma told us that Malkin helped to create 10 scoring chances in game one. It's almost 10 times 10 tonight. It's a 2-goal advantage for Pittsburgh. Folks, don't miss any of the action of the Stanley Cup playoffs on Versus. Tomorrow night, 8 Eastern, down 2-0 after an overtime defeat in Detroit. The Blackhawks must use the home ice to bounce back against the defending champs. Saturday, we return the Eastern Conference Final to the airwaves, 7:30 Eastern. It shifts to Carolina, Game 3 for Pittsburgh and Carolina. The Stanley Cup Conference Finals continuing. Starts tomorrow night at 8 Eastern. Mike Emmerich, Eddie Olson, Bob Harwood, and our Versus production team ready for that one from United Center. It's been a while, 10 playoff springs since a Penguin had a postseason hat trick. Malkin has been mesmerizing this evening. Souvenirs, anyone? Souvenirs.
That's a lot of hats. And Boffo, exuberation in this building now. Almost acted as a pseudo timeout, though, for Paul Maurice and his side, who have to collect themselves and try to drive back the other way. But the task is now Herculean. They're down by a couple in this environment.
The cheerleaders in the stands, Malkin's parents, Vladimir and Natalia. Oh, what fun they have had watching their son do his damage in Game 2 of the Eastern Conference Final. Joe Beninati, Darryl Ray upstairs, Chris Simpson, our ringside reporter.